Source.
Then tell me Ellie hungry. Oh, Ellie not hungry now.
No, but I'm asking. I'm not.
Hola, espero que tenga una semana productiva. Bienvenido, es Bengo Momento, checking in. Big up all my subscribers right now. And if you're watching and listening, you haven't subscribed as yet, my peeps, just go ahead and do that right now. Don't forget, click that bell for all the notifications. So we are looking at the topic. What should I start off with? Let me start it off with this whole Shenseea situation. Now we're looking at Shenseea's chest right here, and a lot looks different, a lot more voluptuous, my people, can I say? Now Shenseea, after she posted this pic, my people, it gone almost 300,000 likes already. Crazy. And I just about 5 hours the picture post in a real life. Now Shenseea, she took to the caption section and she said, I invested in my body, yeah, I'm done up for the new thing. The girl, let me get done up, my people. Wanna really think about Shenseea new chest? And I like it? Comment and let me know what are your thoughts. Now after the break, my people, let's hear what Teejay has to tell. Ding dong, don't move, you don't want to miss this. Okay, my peeps, thanks for staying tuned on the program right now. We remember when just a few days ago Ding Dong went live and he said this.
So nobody at all obligated to you. So if you are the something and you are get strength from somebody, appreciate it and respect whosoever show you strength or give you strength. And if you can return that favor to that person or somebody else, you do so. But understand this, no matter where you do, nobody no owe you nothing. You know, nobody not obligated to you.
Now, just a few hours ago, yeah, Teejay, he went on social media and he had this to say.
Big strength from people, here. So the pussy say me a big strength from them can go run up back now them mother 300 times, here. That me a tell you.
Now, people, where it really sound like? It sound like Teejay at this alkaline or him a respond to Ding Dong. Wanna comment and let me know, because I see where a lot of persons have been saying that, oh, Teejay at this alkaline and all these kind of things, my people. But we wanna really think, because really and truly this is what I want right now. And I mean, Teejay did that video just after his show in the US where him got big up alkaline and people say, yo, him a look friend from alkaline and all of that. But really and truly, Teejay alkaline good. Him no need for look no strength or nothing, my people. Fans them just don't know what I want. So wanna comment, let me know what you wanna really think about that situation. Don't move. After the break, Lady Anna, how I going with Ellie again, my people. Yo, after the break.
Talk to it. Talk truth.
Yeah, man.
It's going on.
Boy, I talk about Spragga Benz, you know.
How I go on?
You used to take us Spragga Benz money, you know. You have the girl, them, you know.
Why would you take what? Tell me, I'm not here. I'm low. You tell me now. What I make call? You are tell me say me for take what Spragga Benz money?
No, tell the caller. Hold on. Whoa. I don't like you to hear what the man said. The caller said.
Yeah, me never hear him for true.
Put a soundtrack.
Me never hear him for true.
Play a soundtrack in after 99. The caller said,
Yeah.
talk about when.
Me not headphone not to be plug in. Me kaka.
Oh, it wasn't
Cause me
plugged in?
never hear. No, me I hear. See?
Yeah, everything
all
alright?
wrong. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Talk to me now. Talk to me.
Alright. So the line them good too, right?
Yeah.
Alright. The caller said.
Which one turn it down little?
This one.
Come on and get left too soon. Yeah, alright, we're good.
The caller specifically asked, I don't know what he was speaking of, but he said, talk about when you and the girls used to set up and take Spragga's money.
Oh, no. What? No, we didn't rob Spragga. Let me tell you what happened with me and Spragga. Because I love Spragga. I love Spragga. When Spragga just boss, right? And he used to get a lot of shows. He used to bore in the stage. He used to stand up stiff like a little board.
Right.
So Big Batty Angela come to me one day, I saw Rest in Peace, and she called me Dan Ped. Them say, Dan Ped, we love Spragga, you know.
Why she call it Dan Ped?
Them say, we all like Dan Ped. So Dan Ped, them say, we all like Dan Ped. So she said,
I like how you graze over that one the fast, you know.
Yeah, she said, so Dan Ped, you have to go check Spragga now, right now. If Spragga not straighten up, I'll come brew him a fresh today now. To me really like him, because I'm humble, I'm like quiet man. You see, to me loud, me like my man, them quiet. Yeah. So I drive now, me and Lady Junior go check him. I have to go to about 20 man before I could get to him. We have to make them always a Spragga. So when we go there, I sleep. Him said to me, say, Lady, and this better go in here with me. I say, boy, Spragga, you know, I love you, you know, like my little brother, and but girl, I'm plan for boo you later. And I said, why? And I said, the girl, I said, nah, perform for them. I said, so later, I said, this is what you're going to do. Why you leave everything to me, but why you walk from one end of the stage to the middle, you may look a small, cute wine, dainty, you not have to be perfect, and you go to the, just do that. Back, forth, middle. Leave the rest to me. So I'm so okay, give me a whole heap of money, because a whole heap of we didn't have the passing them time there. And then give me some pass, I'm going to pay
how much money, son?
I think we give about $1,000. You know, say, them days $1,000 is like a whole heap of money. You know, say the money have to share, because you know the crew, and a whole heap of we the crew. So I go, and everybody get that money. I work Spragga now here.
No, you get about 9 bills.
No, I don't get so much. You know, Angela, the mama for the crew.
So how much you get?
Me get about 5, Angela get about 5. But we share up the ticket them.
You know, easy.
This was fresh 95, so we got fresh 95 now. And me never look for me, but me hide him, because me have him back, and I know me not let him down. So when them call him out, and no one him come on, him just see me appear from nowhere. So I go out with him thing, and you know, and the place everybody start raining, and then him put the mic on mouth and say, lady, and girl want ranking dollar, you know. And I said, Spragga, they only know want ranking if. Can I use the word?
I'm not sure yet. So
I said, they only know want ranking F. And when I said that, the whole place mash up, and Spragga get big from there. I just that, I don't know, we don't love him, we don't love him, and we don't want him reach far.
Oh, so you don't do a thing for him?
Yeah, we
don't take a thing in there.
That's why I not forget P. I work with him, you know. I forget P. That was it. When I rock Spragga, we didn't love him, you know, because he's cute and what we love him.
No, we don't know.
We don't love him
sexually
still, you know. He's cuter than you, man.
No, but you can't ask me to judge a man.
Yeah, dark chocolate.
Yeah, so we have against dark skin, man.
No, me like dark skin, man. Don't get it twisted.
Oh, all right.
But in the young and him pretty, and him have the pretty hair, him have everything, and him slim, and him just quiet and shy. Angela, I don't want to rape him still, but him never like her like that.
You try her for him?
No, me just like him as my little brother.
Which one I asked him you try her for?
None of them.
None, never? Because I know one night time you have a DJ argument where you say, boy, through your body in a big light, ray, and then look at something.
No, all of it, most of the DJ them, they like me into me.
Okay.
All of them. Elephant man means to rob.
Elephant man?
Yes, it means to rob. Because when him, before him bust them time, them have 2 Patrick Ewing, 1 purple and 1 orange. And my 2 t-shirt, 1 purple and 1 orange. I don't know much pants. But you know, a 2 shirt, that's why nobody enough to envy nobody for them reaching a life. It belong like 2 shirt, 1 purple, 1 orange, 1 purple Patrick Ewing, 1 orange Patrick Ewing. And when him, before them inform the group and him do the dub them, me trick him, kind like me and want some. I say, yeah man, alright, give me some of the money. And give me the money. I don't run in my I don't tell him go and go make him mother put on nappy on him. Him used to get robbed.
So no,
I robbed Tony Curtis.
You have liquor for Ellie then?
No,
it's safe to say. No, it's safe to say no.
It's in the whole problem I give him 1 time.
So about right now?
No.
Why not?
He only want me, I know.
No, but you have credit. You have credit for the man.
Yeah, but be for real. You think Ellie that want me, I know? Me could call Ellie and ask him.
No, what have I call it? I ask you.
Me not take any-
I'm asking the source.
Them time the Ellie hungry. Ellie not hungry,
No, but I'm asking. I'm not.
Alright, so we just heard it there from Lady Ann. And if you don't know who is Lady Ann, my people, Lady Ann, one of them artists there, we have traveled way back from the 70s. She was a female who dominate the scene, you know. She have a hit song and thing, and she go good, yeah, so we have to big her up. And wanna just have a great week again. Now we talk later. Hablar más tarde. Let's go. Momento.